12-inch apps. This is our dynamic testimonial custom component, a powerful and fully customizable component designed exclusively for your Arcblock Pages kit, allowing you to create engaging testimonial banners that enhance your website's storytelling. Now below is an example of the custom component at work here. You'll see there's 3 cards. The component allows you to create this banner essentially very quickly, customizing each one of these cards. Let me show you how that works. So once you launch the Dynamic Testimonials blocklet, it will show up in your Pages kit here on the left hand side. You see my cursor, I hit Custom Component. Now over here on the right hand side is going to be a list of all the different custom components that you have. I have a bunch, but you'll see here Testimonials. Now when I click on this custom component, or when you do, you're going to see it populates this area here right in the middle where it says please select component to render. So let's take a look at that. There it is. It showed up. The component shows up with the 3 cards. On the right hand side is going to be the parameters that you can use to customize your testimonials. You'll see here name 1 is Jane Doe. On the card right now it says Jane Doe. So let's make that say Jane. You can see it changes here. Okay, change that back to Jane Doe. All instantaneously happening. Then this component is so easy to use. You see the same wording here. You can customize all of this. Choose how many stars you want to have. Choose the title here. It says CFO, so you can change that title. All this to make your website grab the attention of the end viewer. So I scroll down here, you see you have different parameters for each one of these cards. At the end you're going to see a font type, so you can choose what type of font you want to have. You see it's changing the font of the name and the title there. Background color, this uses the hex code, so you use the different hex codes to change the background. Okay, and then the background opacity, so if you want the background to be have a high opacity or low opacity, you can change that here. Enable the stars. If you don't want to have the stars, you can take away the stars, and for even more engaging look, you can hit enable floating. And now if you look closely, you'll see that these custom components are actually floating, having a waving effect. Alright, and that's what you're going to get there with the custom components. I really appreciate you considering using us for your Pages kit.